This is cs952 Introduction to Web Technologies and Design, and we're going to talk about adding one more feature to our site. It may not be a feature that's appropriate for all websites, but if you have a location that you want to share with visitors to your website, it's really easy to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Maps, and since I have my convenient search bar at the top of my web page, I'm just going to type in Google Maps. Okay, here we go. Google Maps. And I'm going to put in the address. I could put in any address, but how about the address for the school? 9000 Overland Avenue. And we get the map for the school. We can see here's the address for West LA College. Another way you can do this, you can just type in the address in the URL of your web browser. I'm using Chrome. 9000 Overland Avenue. There it is. It fills it in for me. And again, I'm going to click on Maps. It's going to take me to Google Maps. And again, I get this map. So this procedure is real similar to what we did with YouTube. I'm going to click on Share. And again, I want to choose, we have Share Link or we have Embed. I'm going to choose Embed. And the code's right here available for me. I'm going to right-click and just copy that code. And now let's go back to Dreamweaver. And since this is going to be code we're going to be adding to every page on our site, we're going to be adding it in the footer, then for sure I want to open up my template. And I want to add this in my footer after the copyright for Jose Garcia. So I'm in code view, so I'm going to click after that closing paragraph tag, hit enter, and then hit paste. And I've just pasted in the code that was generated for me by Google. Now there's a couple things I'd like to draw your attention to. The width right now is set to 600 pixels. Well, rather than having a fixed width, we're going to type in 100%. Now you remember we've used percentage before as a width. We did this when we were working with our images. We set the smallest, the mobile view of the images, we set to 100%, and then 50% for the medium or small view, and then 25% for the desktop view. So we've used percentages before for width. And then we have height. Right now the height is set to 450. We'll leave it there for now. So what this is going to do is it's going to add in this content just in the same way that we added in the YouTube content, and we're going to do it after copyright Jose Garcia. So I'm going to click on my Save All, and as always Dreamweaver asks, do you want to update all the files based on this template? And I do, so I'm going to hit Update. And now that's pretty much it. I'm going to close my update window. I'm going to go to preview my page in Google Chrome. Right? Google Chrome opens up, and right away we can see we've got a map. Now, of course, this is our template page. It's not actually one of the pages on our website. So let me click over here on the pencil. Takes us to our home page. So now when we scroll down, we can see that we've got a nice little map at the bottom of our page. And this is responsive. If I go to my tools, let's see, let's view this as if we were viewing this on a mobile device. This is as if we were using an iPhone 6. We can see there's our content. We scroll on down, there are our feature pages. And then here at the bottom we've got a nice little map. If someone would like some help finding their way to the Pencil Museum or wherever you are, super easy to do. And it's been added to all of the pages on our site since we did this with our template. And go to any pages that we'd like. Let's go to our media page. And then if we scroll down, right there it is, our map. Really easy to do, just using this existing feature of Google Maps. We just selected to embed the map, and we did this from the share link.